Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to attach toggle fasteners as part of your beehive. So first thing to do is to negotiate opening the packet. Now these do come in pairs, in packets. We sell these as pairs, and they come with the screws to attach, and one of them has just gone on the floor. So we're basically just going to take out one toggle fastener and 4 screws. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is attach the hook, and for that obviously we're going to position it where we want it. You don't want it too close to the edge of the wood. Very simple. You can either with a nail or a spike or a pen. I'm going to use my favourite pen, and I've marked it up. Just going to put one screw in. Now I'm going to move my fingers out of the way because these flatheads sometimes can jump off and stab you. So that's the level. We're just going to move that out of the way for a second. And again. So get this nice and tight. So that's what it's like when it's closed, and when it's open, just need to make sure it clears that hook. So get it, and we pull it reasonably tight. So obviously with it being in a closed position, that's where it's going to be. Obviously it might be a bit tricky on a hive. I'm just going to mark these 2 holes out, and I'm going to then relax the hook. And basically where the marks I've just made are, I sometimes tap it. Obviously you want it in the open position, and then I'm going to screw that, and then same with this one. Then again, minding my fingers out of the way. And then when you lock it, it should be nice and tight. Just another feature of this toggle fastener, it has a hole in the catch. When you're transporting your hive or moving it, it means that if necessary, if you want it to make sure it doesn't fly out so you can secure it, you can then put a screw, which means you can then fasten it down, which prevents that from lifting up, and it locks it in place for transporting your hive. So there you have your toggle fastener by Thorne.